What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and in this video I want to show you how to get paid to download apps. Now it's very easy to do. There is like some information that I want you to pay attention to, because I want to make sure you're doing this right and actually downloading the right app, because really pay attention throughout this video. But first of all, you'll see here at my balance I have $4.17, and like I said, all you're doing is downloading apps. When it says current task, this app right here, I'm going to download it and I'll get 23 cents. And I'm going to show you by the time I'm done with this video, my balance will be $4.40. So you see here, I have two different apps I can use. I can do this one for 40 cents and this one is 23 cents. Now, I will tell you the difference is there's more to this app than just downloading it. That's why it's higher. But for most of you, you can just basically look at it and see what they're asking you to do. Just click on this real quick just to show you. I don't need to know that. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to basically write a review on this app. So you'll write a review on it, and after you write the review, you'll send it to them, screenshot, whatever. You can do that, and you'll get 40 cents for doing that. Now they don't come up a lot, but they are out there if you want to do it, of course. So I'm gonna go back. I'm not going to do this. Just gonna give up on that. So right here, these are the ones you're going to have the most, these 23-cent ones. Sometimes you'll see 18 cents, but it's really good money in it. So all I'm going to do is download this app, and it doesn't really tell you the name of the app, but it'll tell you how to search for it. So VPN for iPhone. So I'm going to click on that. And basically, if I go into my app store and I type in VPN for iPhone, it's going to be like the 8th app on the App Store. So let me go to the App Store real quick. So now you see I'm at the App Store, and I'm going to click search. I'll clear it up for you. I'll click VPN for iPhone. Right there. And the best way I do it is I just find that icon, right? So when I find, they say it'll be the 8th one most likely, so it's right here. And sometimes I'll double check, just look back. So you see here the icons, they do match. So I'm going to download that one. Click install. And so now it's actually downloading the app. And then once it downloads, then I'm going to open it up. But I'm not going to open it up through the App Store. That's what you don't want to do. You don't want to open it up through the App Store because you won't get paid like that. So I'll go back to the app right here. I've already downloaded it. Now next, open the app. And you have to use this app for 3 minutes, and you should allow the data request. Now I will tell you, I have done this, and a lot of times I don't allow the data and I still get paid, but it's up to you. So I'm going to open that right there. That's the step 2. And basically at this point, I'm just leaving the app open for 3 minutes. So once it's done for 3 minutes, I'm going to go back to this app right here, and I'm going to click get money. Now if I click get money right now, it's going to tell me that only 2 minutes left to get the reward. So basically I have to wait 3 minutes. So let me wait 3 minutes and I'll come right back. All right, so it's been close to 3 minutes now. So I'm still on the app that I downloaded. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to click get money. And you see there, I got 37 seconds left. So I'm going to kind of wait for that to end real quick. Again, you can open the app, but you don't, really have to. You just have to wait for that time to go down. I mean, it's very simple, just 3 minutes. Kind of got a little early. I thought it was 3 minutes left, but it wasn't. So let me go back to open the app real quick. All right, so go back now, click get money. Hopefully that time had passed. Get money, and you see there, 23 cents. You know what I'm saying? You got it in your account. All you do is click do task, so it can fully deposit in there. You see the app is gone. You see there, my balance is $4.40. Now, just that easy, just how I showed you how to do it. Now, just to show you that I had been paid from this app before, if I click withdraw, you'll see I've made $24.40 total. So basically, I've gotten cash outs of $20. Each of them were for $5. All went into my PayPal, legit app. Everything, worked out. It took maybe a couple days for it to get to me. But all I was doing with this app is just downloading. You see here, my completed tasks, all these 23 cents, just downloading the app. You know what I'm saying? Very cents, some 18 cents. Some apps don't pay as much, but most of them, every one I've done is either 18 cents or 23 cents. So you see here, just seeing my history. There's my cash out. That was back in December. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta download the apps when they are. Like I would really check it every day. Sometimes I get a little lazy and not checking it, but you see here 23 cents, 18 cents, that's all it is. And then you'll see my cash outs. You get the PayPal, and that's how you do that. Now I want to show you some different ways you can actually cash out. So I'm going to click withdraw. You see here bank card, PayPal, Steam, iTunes, and Amazon. Those are the ones they have. I mean, good options because most people want PayPal and Amazon anyway. So I mean, they have what you want right there. And like I said, all you're doing is downloading the app, using it for 3 minutes, and if you don't want the app, you can delete it after that. Very simple to make money with. So I highly encourage you guys to do it. Now, the thing about this app, it is not easy to find in the App Store, the Google Play Store. So they give you a link, and if you click on the link in the description, it'll take you right to download the app. Like I said, you really can't find it in the App Store or the Google Store. So, I mean, just clicking the link, it'll just bypass all the trouble you have with searching for the app and, get started just doing what I do in this video. Every time you see an app, just download it, get 23 cents or 18 cents. It doesn't really matter because it's going to add up. And once you get $5, you can cash out. So, get paid to download apps. Get started with it today. Click the link in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.